All right. So how you're doing today? It's a great
Pretty good.
Monday.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
I'm tired from the time change.
You're right.
Yep.
Exactly. I thought we were gonna gain, but not really.
Never feels like that.
Oh, gee. All right. And it's gonna be exciting week, and also the semester is going down the stretch. So only 3 weeks before Thanksgiving. So good and bad, right?
Yep.
A lot of things to do. So hopefully you guys can catch up and all that. For this course too, even though I know officially no makeups, but if you submit it, some late ones, I can submit. I can accept it. So don't skip those. Okay. All right. In the meantime, so I'm working on the test 2. So as soon as I finish up, then I'll update the grades so that you can check it out. So I'm gonna share it again. All right, so this is Wix. I'm gonna maximize. Come on. All right, I got some stuff already, but when you start, after you creating an account, then you're gonna start from here so that you can create a new website right here. There's a different ways to approach this. You can get into, you can Google Wix ePortfolio template or template. Then it'll give you the direct website so that you can find the template of the ePortfolio. So either you can just create a login, create your account and approach from here, or you can just start from the Google search. Then it'll give you a Google. Let's do it actually. Wix ePortfolio template. I'm Googling it. So there's a return following website. There you go. Portfolio website. I think it's more likely, so I'm going to click this one. So here we go. These are the examples of template that you can use for ePortfolio. Right here, say portfolios. They also have a resume and personal. You can use those two, even though they have different categories, but I think they are kind of almost same thing. So if you like this way, you can choose it, or that one, or that one. So you got a bunch of them, actually. And for example, let's just choose one of this one. So I'm going to click View. So you kind of preview what you're going to have. So this is how page you look like once you adapt this. Here we go. You can edit even. So I can click Edit. So once you get into edit mode, you can edit as you wish and put up your images and all those content as well. Here we go. They are activating the template. And if you think it's too much, some template has so much of slices and spaces you need to fit in. And if you don't like it, you can choose a simple one, simple structure, so easy to work with. So you can use this kind of generating. I think they put up this AI thing so that as you provide the content, name, what you want to do, then they can create for you. This is kind of AI process. You can use it, but I just rather do it manually. So I'm going to just X this so that I can actually try to do with this. And from here, so you can edit any of these pages. For example, at the top, you want to edit this words. Then you type it in and e-portfolio. Like that, right? Then you can, if you want to insert your name, you can put your name. You can make it smaller. That's a font size. So that's how you're going to approach this. So most of these sections are editable. So you can edit. You can even insert a picture. I thought we had a picture somewhere. Oh, here we go. This thing too, you can click here. So change image. See that? There you go. So before you want to apply different images, you need to have your photos ready, image file. It's ready so that you can insert it. Okay. So that's something you need to prepare before doing this e-portfolio. Any kind of images, any kind of links, content, words, you better prepare first. Okay. So pretty much straightforward. And also here is here's the icon you're going to use, add elements. So anything you want to add to this template, you click this cross, then they got all kinds of things you can add, like text box, image, buttons, strip, like a horizontal strip, decorative thing, box, gallery, menu, and a whole bunch of things you can add to. Or, like I said, you can edit from this page. Just click that section, then you can change your edit, whatever object you have. Right? So it takes a little bit of, learning curve. It's not like a very tough because you're not creating from the scratch. Right? So that's how you're going to start this. Then you need to make sure you have a correct pages, number of pages, as well as, here we go, page and menu. So right now, if you click here, it says page and number, right? So that's why you have what you have in terms of number of pages. You have home page, about page, my blog page, contact page, and this is the just search. So basically 4, 5 pages. So that's the landing page. It's about yourself. Then my blog. It'll go to my blog page, even though it is continuous, kind of vertically continuous, but in terms of page, they divided this 4 or 5 different pages. Okay, so that's something you need to have. I think we need to have a 4 or 5 pages just like this, but the name of the page will be different. So you just rename the page right here, rename it, and change the page name. Okay, so that's how you're going to approach this. And you can change the image and all those contents. All right?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, this is not difficult. It's kind of fun. Once you start, it's kind of fun if you haven't done this before. Then important thing is once you edit, and even though you're not finishing up, you want to just come back later on, you need to publish. Save and publish. You see that save button at the top? Then you click publish so that this content page will be uploaded to the server. Otherwise, nobody can see it. Okay, so you need to do both save and publish. Those two things. because you're not going to save it as a local file or, save it into USB or anything. You're going to save it to the this Wix.com as well as publish to the server so that it is saved to the internet itself. Okay. So all those stuff I just talked about listed in the guideline or introduction to ePortfolio. So make sure you understand the requirements. Any questions? I think you're gonna have questions once you start. So let me know if you have any questions or if you need help. I'll be glad to help you out. All right?
Sounds good. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Any other questions? Anybody?
I'm good. Thank you.
All right, great. Okay, so anything you want to talk about?
I'm all good on everything.
Okay.
Me as well. So I don't really have too many questions.
All right. Okay, great, Davis. I mean, Aaron, right? Which one is your
it's
first
Davis.
name? Yeah, Davis, right? Yeah.
Davis. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, then. Okay, so I guess you'll find out, ePortfolio once you start. Okay, and let me know if you have any questions.
Perfect.
And we'll see you next time. We'll see you next time.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.